big chair, baby. That didn't work out as well.
Let's see what we can do here.
I think.
Good.
All right.
If you guys are interested or have any questions, just let look at that. That's pretty big.
I know. He's huge. He's huge. Wait, one more. Oh, it's like motorcycles.
Get your diesel on it. Rapid Diesel. Full service repairs for diesel vehicles.
Please, bears.
Industrial equipment. Oil changes, brakes, and suspension to complete engine replacement. Rapid Diesel committed to your satisfaction. Located just off I-90 exit 60.
Pretty. Oh, look, he's cutting it. Look at this.
Tanks full where he's empty, living